Back in the year 1969, His Majesty King Bhumibol Adulyadej the Great graciously established the Royal Project to help in creating a good quality of life for hill tribe people and reduce the destruction of forests that are main water sources. From His Majesty's constant visits and the assistance made to the hill tribe people, they voluntarily changed their occupation from growing opium to growing other temperate crops. This helps them to have a better quality of life and participate in the conservation and restoration of natural resources. Continued in the present reign with His Majesty the King's determination to continue, maintain, and expand, the Royal Project community is a well-being community that grows in balance in terms of economics, society, and the environment. The Royal Project Foundation has carried out research on selected plant and animal species that are suitable for the highlands of Thailand. The research findings have thus been transferred to the hill tribes in various villages to create alternative sources of income instead of growing opium. This caused widespread success in creating income and improving the quality of life of hill tribes in the highlands. The Royal Project Development Center has provided training and advised farmers to learn and follow the steps of good agricultural practices according to the Food Safety Standard System. They start with the planning and continue with controlling of crop cultivation from the beginning, and continue with plant protection by using a combination of methods and post-harvest management. These procedures produce quality products that meet the required standards. Before the produce from farmers is distributed to consumers, it is transported to the packing house of the Royal Project Development Center. This aims to check for chemical residues with the GT test kit from the Department of Medical Sciences. The products must pass safety standards. If chemical residues are found in the produce, that batch of produce will not be accepted. Those that have passed the standard criteria will be graded for quality and packaged and then sent to the Royal Project Produce Center. The Royal Project Foundation established the first packing house in 1987 at the Faculty of Agriculture, Chiang Mai University. This packing house serves as a center for collecting and selecting the quality products from the Royal Project Development Center. Later, in the year 2003, a new produce packing house was built at Mae Hia Demonstration Farm. His Majesty King Bhumibol Adulyadej the Great bestowed the name Royal Project Produce Center, and His Majesty the King presided over the opening ceremony to support the increase in production beyond the capacity of the packing house at Chiang Mai University. In addition, the Royal Project Foundation realizes the importance of raising and developing agricultural product standards to increase competitive in marketing as well as to build confidence among consumers. Currently, the Royal Project Produce Center is certified with GMP, GHP, and HACCP standards. The produce that is passed through the center's processes is divided into 7 groups: fresh vegetables, herbs, temperate and semi-temperate fruits, flowers, field crops, fisheries and livestock, and processed product groups, which include more than 1,700 items. The fresh produce has been through the following operating steps. Receiving produce. It involves bringing produce from the Royal Project Development Center into a system for sorting produce types and counting the numbers to check and weigh the produce. At this point, samples will be taken and tested for chemical residues with GC and HPLC, which can identify the type and number of chemical residues. Produce that is found to have chemical residues exceeding the standard limits will be destroyed. Inspection of produce quality. When the produce is received, it will be physically inspected, such as size, weight, color, shape, and defects. Then it will be separated into quality classes and weighed to facilitate the distribution. Then the quality inspection data is recorded into the system to include quantity and quality. In addition, the Royal Project Produce Center also has a post-harvest science unit that is responsible for providing advice and solving post-harvest produce management problems, as well as creating GMP, GHP, and HACCP quality assurance systems for all units under the Royal Project Foundation. This aims to ensure the produce is a good quality and meets the standards according to customer needs. Trimming. The incoming produce will be sent to the production unit to prepare the produce to meet the quality according to the order. The production unit will take the produce that has passed quality inspection and trim off any defective parts, remove the damaged leaves, and sort by the quality. For flowering plants and fruits, trimming areas are clearly separated to prevent contamination and allow for proper quality control. Packaging. Produce is packed into packing materials according to specified standards, emphasizing cleanliness and safety. The verification code that can indicate the origin of the produce is attached to every package. It can be traced back to the planting location and the farmer. Produce storage. Some produce will be stored in a cold room where the temperature and relative humidity are controlled according to the type of produce. This aims to maintain the quality of produce during the waiting period for distribution. Vegetable salad. In addition, some of the produce is processed into ready-to-eat food to add value and provide an alternative for customers. This will be done with a hygienic production process that maintains freshness and has a variety of flavors to choose from. For other products, including grains and rice, separate buildings have been arranged for storage. There is a process of milling rice into brown rice and packaging it appropriately. In addition, processed products such as tea, coffee, fisheries, and livestock have a specific location for operations and storage according to product characteristics to maintain quality before being distributed to customers. Inspection before shipping. Before the products are distributed out of the Royal Project Produce Center, staff will check the quantity and quality of products to match the customer's orders. Shipping. Products will be delivered to various Royal Project stores, department stores, hotels, restaurants, and various shops in Chiang Mai and other provinces by refrigerated truck. With good feedback from consumers and in order to support the increased production, some potential Royal Project Development Centers have developed operating systems to the point where they can deliver products directly to customers without having to go through Royal Project Produce Centers. With the successful operation of the Royal Project throughout the past period, combined with the commitment to managing the quality of post-harvest produce that is fresh, clean, and safe in every step, the produce and products under the brand Royal Project is nowadays popular both nationally and internationally. This results in good health for Thai people from consuming good quality produce every day. In addition, Hill Tribe farmers also receive happiness from a career that can be self-reliant, leading to the sustainability and further development in the highlands.